Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to our session. Love your body, treat your body right. Drop everything and let's exercise. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, are you ready? So we are going to start moving. Let's go. So you are going to get
High
up on
knee
your feet
jacks in 5,
and
4,
exercise.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
1, 2,
Come on. 3.
Three.
You can do
4,
this. 5,
6,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh,
Up next,
rest it off.
high
Let's go
step
again.
march in 5,
All right,
4,
we are here together
3,
and we
2,
are
1.
exercising.
Go.
Let's go.
1,
Come on,
2,
boys and girls, lift
3,
your foot.
4, 5, 6,
All right.
7,
Keep
8,
it going. We can do
9,
this.
10, 11,
Yes.
12, 13,
All right. Here
14,
we are together
15,
exercising.
16, 17, 18,
19, 20.
20.
Way to go.
Rest time.
All right. So we are resting, counting down, take a breather, and we're going to be ready again in the next 8 seconds. Are we ready to go again? Oh, yes. We are ready. Let's go.
Up next, ski hops in 5,
4,
4,
3, 2, 1.
1.
Ski ups. Let's go. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4. Wow. I'm
5,
loving the ski ups.
6,
7,
8,
8.
9, 10,
Feeling
11,
good, right?
12,
Come on, parents. You
13,
can do this too.
14, 15, 16,
Come on, my students.
17, 18,
19,
20.
20. Wow. Rest again for
time.
next 20 seconds. And then we are on to something else. How do you feel over there? I'm feeling so good over here. Yes, I'm loving this segment. I'm loving this session. All right, in 2, we are ready. Let's go again.
Up
Jumping
next,
jacks.
Jumping jacks.
Let's go.
In 5,
4,
3,
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on.
1,
Apart
2,
together.
3,
Apart together. Apart
4,
together. Apart
5,
together.
6,
Apart
7,
together.
8,
Let's go.
9,
10.
10,
Come on, keep it
11,
going.
12,
You are doing
13,
a good job.
14, 15,
Don't give
16,
up. Come on,
17,
parents, you can do this
18,
too.
19,
You're
20,
tired? Keep it
21,
going. Love your body,
22,
treat your body
23.
right.
You're 3
Yes.
minutes in. Good job,
All
and
right.
keep exercising. 7,
Come on,
28,
keep moving.
29, 30.
Oh,
Rest
thank
time.
you so much. And there we go with our rest time. Thank you everyone for joining in. We had so much fun today exercising. Woo! Oh yes. Woohoo! Thank you, my parents. Thank you so much, my students. We had so much fun today exercising. Woo! I like to move it. You like to move it too? Woo! Come on. So we are resting it up. Woo! Bye everyone. See you next time. Woo! I had so much fun today. Bye everyone. Bye.